everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 3 of Diwali series. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my most favorite lip shades for Diwali. I hope you enjoy this video and watch it till the end. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Starting with my most favorite shade, this one is from Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection called Nude Nuance. This nude shade has a brown undertone to it. This lipstick retails for Rs 299. It's suitable for all Indian skin tones. The shade is so pretty, so lightweight on your lips, makes your lips feel really comfortable when you wear it. The lasting power of this lipstick is up to 6 to 7 hours. I am a sucker for nude shades, and I think you have seen me wear this particular shade in most of my videos. It isn't transfer proof, but it's non-drying and gives a very beautiful finish. The next one is a new addition to my favorites list. This is by K Beauty, their Matte Drama Matte Lipstick Collection in the shade Debut. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free and vegan. This lipstick is enriched with grapeseed oil and red raspberry. A beautiful brick brown nude shade with coral undertone to it. The formulation is very creamy, glides on easily and becomes transfer proof after drying. The price of this lipstick is a little bit on the expensive side as it retails for 999. You can get them at a good discount during these times. Now enters the first bold shade. This one is again from Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection called Burgundy Blush. You're going to see a lot of Maybelline's lipsticks because I just love their formulation. Like literally they are so comfortable. They are so long lasting, like longevity is really high and they feel super comfortable on lips. This one again is a very beautiful maroon red sort of a shade, so bold, so pretty. Now enters a pink color. This one is from Avon in the shade Pure Pink. I don't remember the range because it's the most oldest lipstick that I own along with my Nude Nuance. It's a very beautiful baby pinkish color. The formula is very creamy. It isn't matte. Again, it's not transfer proof, but it isn't very drying on your lips. It is very comfortable to wear. Lasts up to 5 hours. You can totally rock this lip shade for a daytime Diwali look. Next bold shade that I have for you all is, again, just guess the brand. It's Maybelline, but from a different range. This is their Loaded Bolts collection in the shade Chocoholic. A beautiful shade with red undertone, suitable for all Indian skin tones. Stays up to 6 hours, non-drying, non-transfer proof, but a very beautiful shade. Like you can totally rock this shade with every outfit. I just love it. My last lip shade for this video and the cheapest, like these are only for Rs 75 to 100. I mean, just amazing. This one is from Elle Colourpop's matte range in the shade Belgian Brown. Very flattering for the lips, but a little bit hard to walk with since these are very difficult to apply. Like when you apply it, you understand it by yourself only. So yeah, but the color is extremely beautiful, so no complaints on that. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell. Do comment down below your most favorite shade. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video.